Are your image line apps crashing due to the Fruity Squeeze module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start fixing Fruity Squeeze module manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Fruity Squeeze module, the core engine library for the Fruity Squeeze bitcrushing and saturation plugin within FL Studio. If missing, music projects using this synth will load with missing plugin errors, and the audio manipulation for those tracks will be completely disabled. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Fruity Squeeze is a standard component within most gaming graphics runtimes. You can resolve this by installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy D3DX and X input files, and updating your GPU drivers if the error involves OpenGL, OpenCL, or CUDA. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Fruity Squeeze module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Remember that manual replacement of Fruity Squeeze module DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Fruity Squeeze module and system libraries. To support our technical team and receive updates on Fruity Squeeze module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.